How to make Instagram grid post. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make Instagram grid post. Now after a recent update of Instagram, they have removed the square layout from the Instagram feed, and all of the pictures that you have posted in the square shape in the form of making a grid has just been altered. So in order to get a nice and refined version of the grid post, what you're going to do is go to your app store. And over here, you're going to search for the application that is Photo Split. So you can just go to the search bar and type Photo Split and click on search. And once you do so, you're going to download this application, or you can even download this one. So it just depends on you, whichever you want. Now I'm going to get this one, and you're going to wait for this application to get downloaded. So once it's downloaded, you can just click on open, and here are various types of grids that you can choose. Now there are two types. One is panorama, one is grids. In our case, we're choosing grids because we want to make a grid post. So just click on grids and then select the picture that you want to post. So I have selected this picture, and there are various grids and panoramas you can choose from. There are 3 pictures, there are 6 pictures, there are 9, and there are like insane 12 one. So I'm just going to click on these 9 ones, and you can also position the picture like what type of picture you want. I'm going to make the flower appear perfectly, and after that you're going to click on tick. So just click on this one over here, and it will say that grid would like to add to your photos. Click on OK, and after that you can click on open in order to open Instagram directly and post the grid over there. So just click on open and you'll be redirected to somewhere like this. So if you wish to, obviously if you're making a grid post, you'll share it to your feed, and then click on next. And after that you can just click on either OK or manage settings. Click on OK and then click on share. Now after that you gotta wait for it to get uploaded, and once it gets uploaded you'll be able to see that this picture has been uploaded. Now continue doing the same thing for all of the other pictures. So once you're done with posting all of the 9 pictures, you'll be able to see the pictures appear in a nice grid according to the latest layout update of Instagram. So that's for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.